Stop settling for dry, boring chicken wings. Today, I'm showing you the chef's secret to making restaurant-style wings at home. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with flavors. Let's get into it. First, pat dry your wings and transfer into a container. White pepper gives a sharp, subtle heat that seasons the chicken from within without overpowering it. Next, the onion powder. This adds a savory depth and brings that classic wings flavor. Now, we add garlic powder, which gives the wings a rich aroma and bold flavor. Paprika adds beautiful color and a mild smoky flavor that makes these wings look and taste amazing. Olive oil helps the seasoning stick to every wing and promotes better browning during baking. Mustard adds tang, depth, and act as a binder so the marinade coats every wing uniformly. And yes, don't forget the salt. We missed it during filming, but make sure you add 14 grams of salt. Trust me, you don't want to skip that. Mix everything together thoroughly. Massage the wings gently to make sure every piece is uniformly coated. This helps the seasoning and marinade get into every surface for maximum flavor. Season every wing like it's the only wing on the tray. Once every wing is beautifully coated, let them marinate for at least 1 hour. But for best flavor, marinate for up to 24 hours. Now, into a preheated oven at 170 degrees. Bake until the outside becomes crispy and golden, whilst the inside stays juicy and tender. Halfway through cooking, flip the wings using spatula. Flipping helps both sides cook uniformly, prevent one side from overcooking, and gives you that beautiful all-round crispiness. And there we go. Perfect homemade chicken wings. Crispy outside, juicy inside, and packed with flavors. Exact kind of wings you do expect from a restaurant, made right at your home. And the best part, these wings are the perfect base for any sauce. In the next videos, I will show you the best wing sauces to take this to another level. Check out my playlist for more easy homemade recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.